Underneath the back of a Mitsubishi Endeavor, mid-2000s, not exactly sure which year it is, doing the rear struts. One is broken apart actually, got a metric 17mm socket right there. Already gotten rid of the 3 nuts on top. There's studs that go through here, 2 in the back here and 1 in the front. 3 studs total, 14mm nuts on the top that hold it in place. So we'll zing this out and we'll get our strut assembly out. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Same for both sides. So it's a September of 2005 Mitsubishi Endeavor. Here's the holes. There's one back there in the darkness. Studs come up, 14mm nuts. Probably don't have to take this whole assembly off here. Probably went a little farther than that, because you can reach all of them. Like you can see over here, just underneath there. 2 or 3 turns and they should come off by hand. The side, and the same with the one on the other side. So if you want some flexibility here, you can certainly pull it loose. So you have 13mm screws. Phillips screws down here in the hole here. I think there's a 10mm bolt in here, 13mm screw up there. And it just has friction fits for the most part back here. And pull this loose a little ways. Floor piece comes out. Just lift this out for the spare tire. Some 10 and some Phillips screws. This back plate. 2 push pins right here. And again, just some screws, and then it snaps in place with some more friction fits.